Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video of AP Knowledge Point. In today's video, we are going to see a series of current affairs questions and answers focusing on Maharashtra's reservation announcement, Ginger capital of India, moving to the cultural side, that is Sand Festival of Odisha, again not forgetting the AI technology, that is using AI in the outer space, the new technology of India to bring all the countries' legislatures in one platform, a new patrolling vehicle of Indian Coast Guard, flag unfurling on the highest peak of Arunachal Pradesh, comeback of Ebola, launching of framework for foreign investors and some more. So let's start the video. Question 1. Where was the 15th International Sand Festival inaugurated in India? The answer is Odisha. Odisha Minister Mohan Charan Majhi inaugurated the 36th Konark Festival, 15th International Sand Festival and Subhadra Shakti Mela at Chandrabhaga Beach. These events were held at UNESCO World Heritage Konark Sun Temple. Classical dances like Odissi, Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Manipuri and Kathak were performed. Over 143 sand artists from India and abroad participated in the program running from 1st to 5th December 2025. In an open-air auditorium with the illuminated Sun Temple as the backdrop, with sand sculptures at Chandrabhaga Beach and vibrant showcase of women-led enterprises. Question 2. What is the name of the digital project launched to digitalize all state and union territory legislatives in India? The answer is National E-Vidhan Application, that is NEVA. NEVA is a workflow system deployed on the NIC cloud, that is Meghraj, which helps the chair of the house to smoothly conduct the proceedings. It has a secure page for each member of the house to submit questions and other necessary things. The aim of the project is to bring all the legislatives of the country together on one platform. mNEVA is the user-friendly mobile app available for Android as well as iOS. Question 3. What is the name of third fast patrol vessel handed over to the Indian Coast Guard by Goa Shipyard Limited in December 2025? The answer is ICGS Amulya. ICGS, that is Indian Coast Guard ship Amulya, third in the series of 8 new generation Adamya class fast patrol vessel, was commissioned in Goa on December 19, 2025. A 51-meter vessel designed and built by Goa Shipyard Limited with 60% indigenous components shows India's steady progress towards defense self-reliance along with the government Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiative. Powered with 2 advanced diesel engines and with the speed of 27 knots. Question 4th. Which institute has introduced SWA-GATFI framework for foreign investors in India? The answer is SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. SWA-GATFI, Single Window Automatic and Generalized Access for Trusted Foreign Investors for FPIs, that is Foreign Portfolio Investors, FVCLS, that is Foreign Venture Capital Investment, aiming to provide 3 things, that is investment access to objectively identified and verified low-risk investors. Second, a unified registration process across multiple investment routes. Third, reducing repeated compliance and documentation. Question 5th. Ebola disease is caused by which agent? The answer is virus. On September 4, 2025, the DRC, that is Democratic Republic of Congo, Ministry of Public Health officially declared outbreak of Ebola in Bulape Health Zone in Kasai Province. It is the 16th outbreak of Ebola in DRC since 1976. Question 6. Mount Kangto is the highest peak of which state? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Kangardo Rise, that is a mountain on the eastern Himalayas located in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh, a source of Pachuk River, where on 26 November 2025 the tricolor flag was unfurled by the soldiers of Indian Army on the highest peak named Mount Kangto. Question 7. Which state government has announced 1% reservation of orphans in education and government jobs in 2025? The answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis announced the 1% reservation for orphans under the Orphans Reservation of Post in Government Establishment and Welfare Bill 2018. Question 8. Which state of India is going to establish Power Museum? The answer is Bihar. The decommissioned Karbi Gaya Thermal Power Station in Patna is to be developed as Power Museum in Bihar state. In order to preserve Bihar's rich power sector heritage and also to boost tourism and serve as a center for education and industrial research. Question 9. Which state has been named as Ginger Capital of India? The answer is Mizoram. By Niti Aayog, Mizoram was named as Ginger Capital of India to show the hard work of farmers in the Mizoram state. According to MAMB, that is Mizoram Agriculture Marketing Board, over 3.38 crore kg of ginger was produced in 2025. Mizoram Chief Minister Pulal Duhoma said that ginger cultivation has enabled many families to earn better incomes. Increasing purchasing power among the people has benefited them. Question 10th. What is Project Suncatcher? Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced the project, a long-term research initiative aimed at developing solar-powered data centers in outer space. To know how interconnected network of solar-powered satellites equipped with the TPU, that is Tensor Processing Unit AI chip, could harness the whole power of sun, a kind of machine language compute system in space. Early testing has shown bidirectional speed up to 1.6 Tbps. So ending this video here. If you like this video, like it, subscribe it, and to get more such videos, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and to get notified for the new videos, press the bell icon.